The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Winona County in southeast Minnesota, southeastern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms roughly along a line extending from Fountain City to Trempealeau to Houston, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. These storms can produce quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorms will be near Trempealeau around 5:05 p.m., Dakota and Galesville around 5:10 p.m., Holman and Bryce Prairie around 5:15 p.m., Blair around 5:25 p.m. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall from these storms may also cause the ponding of water on roadways and localized flooding. A tornado watch is also in effect for the warned area. Severe thunderstorms occasionally produce tornadoes and can do so quickly. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county, Winona County, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, La Crosse, and Trempealeau.
This is a summary of hazardous